Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Richard and welcome back to another video. And today we'll be covering the RS rating and specifically the 3-month RS rating in MarketSmith IBD. And if you're familiar with what the RS rating is, it's basically a proprietary ranking system from IBD, 1 to 99 of the stock performance over the past 12 months. And that's really key here, 12 months. And what they do, they basically calculate the performance over the past 12 months, and based on some calculation, they then create a value and then convert that value to a ranking system. However, some stocks just don't have enough history, 12-month history if they're a recent IPO, and that kind of artificially lowers their RS rating. And some stocks, let's say Skills or Zoom, have pulled back quite far from their highs and aren't really leading anymore. But right here, I remember Skills' RS rating was still high 90s. So it was kind of artificially high because over the course of 12 months it had been doing really well, but recently it had been pulling back 50, 60, 70%. So this is why there's kind of a bias with the 12-month RS rating. I think it's a little bit too long a period, and that's why I specifically like to use the 3-month RS rating instead. So the 3-month RS rating is basically the same thing as RS rating, but it's only considering the previous 3 months instead of 12 months of a stock's price action. And this is really helpful in keeping track of what stocks are leading at this particular time. And to find the RS rating, the 3-month RS rating, unfortunately you can't put it on the chart here, but if you go down the columns, you can see that here's the 3-month RS rating for ASO, as well as the 6-month RS rating, which is the same thing, but only considering the 6 months of price action. So ASO is good in that department, 96, 97, very strong stock. And if you don't have the RS 3-month or RS 6-month, you can go over here to the arrow, customize column layout, and then go ahead and select it and drag it into your column layout preview. Click apply, and there you go. Then you should have it in your columns right here. So that's where to find it for any stock. I think it's really useful if you've got a nice screen that you like to use. You can screen and then sort by that RS 3-month rating or the 6-month if you prefer. And I think it's just a really useful thing. And another thing I want to talk about in this video is a custom screen that I've created to kind of help me keep track of the leaders and what's actually working at this point, because we do sometimes get wrapped up in old names. I think it's always good to keep track of what's really outperforming over the course of the past 3 months, especially considering that the last 3-4 months in the market this year in 2021 has been very choppy. And if we can find the stocks that have been outperforming during this time, those are our potential leaders at this point. So let's go ahead and look at some results. ACMR, ASO, a lot of really strong stocks here. FRHC has been one that's acting really well. You can see it actually is trying to break out here after a really nice move up from a low cheat entry and kicker candle on the 28th of May. So a lot of these stocks are acting really well. BGFV, and there's a nice quick and easy screen to find potential leaders that are outperforming at this point. And if you want to see the conditions, the RS 3-month rating has to be greater than 95. That narrows down basically 9,000 stocks to only about 500. And then I've got some added conditions here. Sales percent change last quarter greater than 25%. That goes from 500 to basically under 150. Then 50-day average volume is greater than 10 million. That's even a little bit low. You can make this 20, 50 million. And then industry group RS is either an A or B. And this gets you 41 stocks out of 9,000 stocks. And these are your potential leaders. So really, this is how you find really strong price action stocks in leading groups right here. So going back to the screen results, we can just tab through here. BGFE has been good. CLF really acting well. You've got Continental RES acting well. So you've got a nice batch here of potential leaders. Crocs has been doing quite well. You can see it broke out yesterday and held up reasonably well on this day right here, the 15th, although it is a little bit in the downside wick, so we'll see how it acts today. But overall, this is a quick and easy scan that can really keep you on track of potential leadership. So I thought that was really helpful. And just the 3-month RS rating in general, I think provides a little bit of a better picture than this RS rating, the 12-month RS rating that you see on the chart. So I hope you guys found this helpful. Let me know down below in the comments what other methods and screens you've built around the 3-month RS rating. And with that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, go ahead and leave a like down below and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'll see you guys in future videos. Thanks.